All right, y'all, we're heading out to a place.
So you can wear the brown vest.
We're heading out to the spot right now, about to get some drinks or something, and then head on out and see if we can't jump some. We just got a little dusting and some snow. It's real cold, so we're gonna try it. Do what? Yeah, you can sit back there thinking he's the expert. I ain't letting him out.
They're in the back.
Hopefully it'll be good. Stay tuned.
Well, it's supposed to be 4+1.
Well, y'all, we're hunting a highly pressured area. Look at all these tracks and dog tracks where people been in. We're gonna go clear in the back there about 1.5 miles back in the woods, and hopefully no one else has thought the idea and traveled back there. That's public land, so just you gotta push forward. Cry about the walk on the way in. There's a lot of our areas that we hunt get hit hard like this. I mean, a lot of people been in here. Who knows? It might be a good day, might not. We'll just see. Alright, y'all, we've been just following this trail. We're about 1 mile back in here right now. Dad's way up on a bank clear out way, so that's clear up on top. What we're doing now, we're basically all working our way this way, but we're all hunting different little pockets. And me personally, I'm just gonna walk the path. I'm a little bit too lazy to be hunting around, but you guys can see whoever was in here did the same thing as I'm doing. They've took these paths out through here, so who knows? I don't know if it's in here to be a hunt or not, but we'll just have to see. So I'll get back at you guys when we get our first rabbit up. We all just got our first rabbit up. Dog jumped it off from the bottom. I'm gonna stand up here. We're all lined up across here. Hopefully he comes to one of us. I hit him. I'm using a 28 gauge now for a minute. Pointer. I ain't never used one. We'll see how good they are. Out here playing a game on this road by the rabbit. That ended up holding on us down on a rock pile that runs up a ravine down there. They went and holed on him, so that was a good sign though. There'd been a bunch of people through here and there was still one alive, so we'll be back at it. We're gonna head out. I don't want to show you all a bunch because you probably know where we're hunting then, because a lot of y'all watch my videos, hunt these same places, but we're gonna keep on going. That just shot at one. Dog jumped it out of a beaver hut. Right at you. Watch out in front of you. That orange is down by the water. You see that orange tree, Seth? They're coming up by that orange tree. I thought you meant right on us. I was like, oh. Oh, yep, I see it. I see the dogs. God, it's cold, boy. Whew. You get him? That got him. Yeah. can't shoot, boy. Dog's got him. He couldn't hit nothing. If y'all's wondering, it's 19, a high of 19 degrees today, so it is cold. You ain't gonna show me the rabbit? Huh? You ain't gonna show me the rabbit? They just stuffed it in his pouch. Not today, Satan. Go ahead and pose for that thumbnail.
Tony would've.
What happened?
The rabbit.
Yeah. He shot, missed, shot, missed, shot, missed. Nah.
Yeah, right. I cranked him up first shot, man. I don't know why that thing tried to move him, man.
Yeah, it kept running at you.
But he laid there for a minute after that first shot.
All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off because it's dying pretty quick because it's cold. Stay tuned. Dog jumped another one. Off in the bottom. Whew.
Yeah, somebody would have been standing back there. They could have seen that rabbit walk by the pond. Right in the rocks.
Yeah, there's a big gully of rocks. I'll let y'all know if he holds up. I'll probably just put a text up.
That rabbit's going this way, Seth.
There's a rabbit going this way too.
Look, I'm wondering if I didn't jump it back there. That's what I said, jump it there.
The OG's on him. He on him hard. Get him?
Yeah.
Sack got number 2. Show us that one. We'll probably do a little video at the end showing them all together. I don't know if I got him, did I? I saw him for a split second. There's the one Seth got. We just jumped another one, so we're about to get back on the other dogs.
That 16-year-old that fucking head and ears back, pierced everything.
Good one.
15 piercings in his ear.
Right there, Seth. Coming back. Coming straight. Down to you. Yeah, I'm done with this junk gun. This gun sucks. It was only like 40 yards. I did. No? Yeah, I shot last. Oh, did you? Oh, Cody got it.
I know I didn't do it.
He said whoever, he said it's dead down there. Maybe this gun ain't that bad.
Bang, bang, bang.
He's using a 20 gauge Ithaca, and Seth got his dad 16. Where'd you jump him out of there?
Right there. Where you put it?
Oh. Yeah, he's saying no to the dog. I get some more shells off of him.
What'd you say now? What'd you say?
Dad watched it die right here. He was up on the bank, and I don't know who got it, me or my brother.
You got a drop of blood right there?
Yeah.
Look at all that blood down there.
Oh, we opened up here. I'm gonna get my Charles Daly back, something I know will roll them. Here, I can carry it, get him thrown in there.
I got 28, but he was trying to shoot.
Oh no. Yeah, because I saw Seth, seen Seth and turned and ran. I said, oh shit, boom, boom.
Here. Here, come on.
All right, now we're back in business. Let him get out there at 80.
Here, come here, girl. Here. Call your little female, Seth.
There ain't no dogs. Did you get him?
Did that time?
It's sitting just right there in the open. Woo! I went fight. Dad got his first one. About 10 shots later, he come out of the thicket and ran straight over the bank. Oh, the OG's backtracking him. He's dead. Yeah, squat. Thanks right there. Oh, right there. He's sitting right there. Turned out to be a decent day. That ended up hitting him, rolling him over. I couldn't shoot. I couldn't shoot that rabbit. That was right there. He's running right down at him. And then once it turned, he cut loose on him. Emptied the gun. I'd say just bring it on up. So I'd just call him off. Yeah, it rolled it. Seen it.
Got up, wobbling, and then he just takes off. And then he got right here and he was dragging himself. And I know them rocks was right there and I ain't taking no chance.
Big rabbit.
There.
Is that your first one with that 28?
Yeah. What's that dog's name?
Can't remember.
Good girl.
That's a
Good
diesel.
boy.
Woo!
Alright, yeah, I'll take it up to one of these on them. Right.
So we can get some more. I think that's number 3.
Where'd you jump him out of?
I'm glad I re-kicked it.
Right there.
And this little brush.
I told Trey there was one in there and he kicks it. And then he stepped back and kicked the back part and come out.
It's sitting tight, boy. Cody rolled it. I was in this bush. I kicked it, and my brother said, "There's one in there." I kicked it again. Boom! He bolted and rolled him up. That's his first one the other day.
I couldn't bend down. Here, Bubba. Here's you. Here's you. Here's you. Here, Freddie. Here, Freddie. All right.
Just getting started and landing on him. Quit, Doji.
There he is.
Quit it. He likes eating our rabbits. That's the dog you gotta watch.
Yeah, yesterday he took the rabbit back, didn't he? That motherfucker went and got it. Huh?
Alright, we're just gonna keep moving. There's private property right out there. We're gonna wrap the hill and come back across the top. I'm opening up. Ain't not even a, yeah. There's old poop. Ah. I was hoping he was gonna jump right in my bead.
Right here. You better grab him. Right here. He come out and he stopped. I was going to shoot his head off, but he was facing that way and I just spoke to him.
He's dead. Cody got him. How's that for you too? Whew, I shot, but Cody already rolled him about the time I shot.
Here, Freddie.
Come on, here.
Here, Freddie. Here, Freddie.
Here, he's right here.
Right there.
Here.
As soon as I got ready to kick
You
him.
mangled him, boy.
Hey, Trey. I thought you said there wasn't none in there.
I mean, where people hunted this a lot, they're sitting real tight.
When he said there was shit and everything in here, I knew that rabbit was in here somewhere. Trey getting ready to go outside. That's alright. Freddie, get out there. Come on.
Oh, he's dead. Here, Coat.
Come on,
Oh, what a throw.
He's right here.
We're in rabbit heaven. We're in rabbit. Pee, poop, 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 poop. They're everywhere in here. When they're just now holding on us, but ain't no biggie. We should jump at least 10 or 11 more around this bank. Just gonna keep on moving. And if y'all's wondering, we're probably 4 miles back in here. I'm talking, we are a poke back in these haulers. Beautiful area out here. Haven't saw no more human sign. I was shocked to see how far people actually came in the beginning. But we figure no one to come out in here. Like, here's old rabbit turd right there. A couple days old. Look, Freddie was standing right here. That rabbit was right there. I'm patting him in his tail. Did you get him? This little bush right here.
I know them rabbits down here.
Did you get it?
Where'd he go?
Look, our dog was sitting here petting him and kicked it, and the rabbit was laying right there. It's wild. You see me turn? Guys. They got it, I think. I'm trying to get to it.
Right here, I got it.
I can't see shit, buddy. I'm in a hell of a mud. I saw it for a minute, though. That's number.
I thought it was back closer and I heard him shoot. I said, oh shit.
Yeah. I was hiding, buddy. I saw it rabbit for a second. Oh, is that number 3 for you? I got number 2 down. I thought he was about to take me out, bud. Me and Cody's in a bad one, wasn't he? Couldn't see
I thought he hollered was coming at me and I heard him shooting. Fuck, he got dragged. Them some big motherfuckers. Watch caught jumped that rabbit. He walked by it. It must not have moved. Cause I mean, since he. Well, this as soon as that dog walked by it, Diesel, the rabbit come out and went over the hill, all open, all the way down through there, boy. Yeah, I heard you. Pow, pow.
Yeah. That first shot was like a firecracker. I said that was out of. Good thing it's a 28 gauge. Roll him up, y'all. He come getting it out of there. I couldn't turn GoPro on. There's probably a hole back there on these, there's train tracks over the hill. He was running right for him. So I crammed on. Here he is. I was on him, buddy. Me and my brother sitting there talking about house loans and all kinds of shit, and he come flying out in front of me. Come on, here. They smell of gunpowder. That is number 2 for me of the day. Yeah! Freddie, your boy. Alright, we're gonna keep moving. We've made it about 8 miles so far into the hunt, no lie. No, probably about 6. We made it a long way. Well, we just emptied on one, me and Seth.
Yeah, I know you missed him. If I'd been me,
Hit about 55 out. That's right, baby. Throw some lead at him. We've been going about an hour and a half without jumping anything, so we might as well try him. If we did hit him, dogs would catch him. About right in there, Si. Yeah, it ain't that far. Right there, that one dog is. This is where he first jumped him. Right where Seth's standing is where he come through. I emptied on him. He ran off in this side hauler over here. He might be head on. Get it? I saw him aiming. There he is. I think that's Dad's 3rd one, pretty sure. He's about to do a count and make sure, but pretty sure it's his third one.
Yeah.
We ain't recorders, we're hunters, Trey.
That's right.
Alright, Seth got 3, right?
Yeah.
Come here, Daisy. 3.
Where's Freddie and him?
Oh, all the rest of them's in here.
Oh, did you turn his
Except
collar
Freddie.
off?
Freddie ain't here.
Freddie! Oh, come here, boy.
Give me 2.
Get in there. Oh, get in. Oh, fuck, well, we did hammer.
I got 2, Seth got 3, Cody got 2.
4, 5, 6.
There's Cody's
7.
2, 7.
8. 9.
Hold this for me, Trey.
10. We hit your unlock again now. It is on.
Alright, well, we got 10. Seth and Dod's allowed 1 more, Cody and me still allowed 2. We're gonna hit 1 more spot. I am anyway. Then I'm going to bed.
I didn't 1 second before I got on top of that ridge over there.
Well, y'all, we just did 1 last little hunt loop and no rabbits, but we didn't see none. And then, like, as soon as we got to the top of the hill, there's tracks by the thousands and poop. But I don't know. We're back out now, so that'll probably wrap this video up. Ended up with 10 today. Jumped probably
11.
Jumped 11.
We already had 11. I mean, we already had 10. We ended up with 11. Cody killed that one back there.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. All right, we got 11. Forgot he did get 1 in here. But yeah, that's it. I only got me 2 today. Well, you know, it gets tough sometimes, but that's hunting. You ain't gonna get them a lot every time. But hopefully y'all still enjoyed this episode, and as I said, you better hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode of Huntfishohio Outdoors. You got anything to say, Seth? He said, yep, he's too tired. See y'all.